literally about to run to the store and figured why not throw the GoPro on my head, because the route I'm gonna take is a little fun. And yeah, just feel like ripping the car a little bit, so let's get the GoPro set up. Figured I haven't done any night driving yet, so you can't see, or so you haven't seen the cool fancy lights we got going on in here. By far one of my favorite things about this car, any BMW really. My M340 had them, and it like ran all the way through the dash, and it came on the center console a little bit. The M4 does not, but it's still pretty baller. So I'm letting the car warm up just a little bit more. Tell you what, this thing takes forever to warm up. I've had it on for like 10 minutes now, and just leaving the house, and it's like barely a quarter of the way to where it needs to be. But I would assume after some driving it'll warm up a little bit faster, because I wasn't even driving it that long ago. So now my M4 is not tuned. It does have downpipes, it has a mid pipe, it's got intakes, and it is flashed with stage 3 XHP, which I think every single person should do to their car right away. Really wakes it up. The shifts stock, I mean, they might feel fast when you first get it and you're not used to it, but once you go XHP and you hop in any other S58 or B58, whatever ZF8 trans car, yeah, you notice it right away. Accidentally spun tires. It's my bad, neighborhood. I set up all the lights. Fire. Those weren't up the other day, I don't think. I really hope that intake noise is getting picked up, because it sounds perfect. The induction noise is very different from the Supra. The Supra's intake sounds were literally always the same pitch, everything. But in the M4, I swear, it'll make like 3 or 4 different, like, you know, swoosh noises, whatever you want to say. And sometimes I like to say it sounds like the ray gun from Call of Duty. this car just lights the tires up like instantly. I am trying to warm up a little bit though, because it feels slow when it's spinning all the time. Hellcat, or was it a Scat Pack? Let's check the badge here. It is in fact neither, and his gas cap is open. Alrighty. Yeah, this is the width. I have the ADRO front end, which I think every M4 should have. Me personally, I think it looks way better than OEM, but that again is just me. The car is lowered on H&R lowering springs. I have 12mm spacer in the front, 15 in the rear, and then downpipes, mid-pipe, intake, and stage 3 XHP. But I got the Dravit, needed this color. This is my favorite. I got the carbon roof. Yeah, dude, this front end, can never get enough of it. And of course, we've got the carbon buckets. An absolute must in these cars. But that is gonna do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see y'all in the next one.